Two women lost their life and several others injured in Westmoreland bus crash. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Two women succumbed to injuries and several others injured on Wednesday morning after a passenger bus ran off the road and crashed into a gully in a section of Seaford Town, Westmoreland. One of the deceased has been identified as Yasmin Carr, who lived in Dundee, Westmoreland. The incident happened around 7 o'clock. The police report that the bus, which plies the Seaford Town to Montego Bay route, was traveling from Westmoreland towards St. James. On reaching a section of the Seaford Town main road, the driver reportedly lost control of the bus, which ran off the road and overturned into a gully. Several of the injured persons, including two women, sustained injuries. They were taken to hospital where they succumbed to their injuries. The injured persons, including the driver, were transported also to hospital for treatment.
Push you back on the four-wheel and I see what I'm going.
Oh man, what go do that?
No follow there, too much chance.
Him broke up, man.
Yeah, what Maxie?
Yo, me I know hear that, you know. I see Bambi a come like a gunshot when me look see Bambi woman with the car. I come, you hear me something wrong. Something wrong. And by me reach up about me hear me something wrong. But them speed there.
Couldn't tell you.
This hear me how Maxie pass me Maya pass me and not tell nothing to me. No, me no way.
This is your son I come from. No, don't hear I come from. You got top.
The bus they come like in the power stone, you know.
The power stone you use.
Lick on the stone. You know so swell, man.
One next girl on there, but me don't know who.
Licking head.
This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.